Now that I know my pattern has printed correctly, I'm going to go ahead and put the witchy hat pattern together. The witchy boots I can set aside because this prints only on 2 pages and they don't need to be taped together. However, the witchy hat pattern does consist of 4 pages, and PDF patterns are normally put together in rows. So we have A1 and A2, and then we have B1 and B2. And the way that I put PDF patterns together is row by row, and most PDF patterns are this way. So I will take A2 and B2, and I'm just going to turn it around. I'm going to cut on the line down this side. And I like to cut so that this line is still visible. I need it for when I'm placing the pattern pieces together because I want to line up right on those lines. Okay, now that will be the top row, and then the bottom row, the B's, they'll also go together, but I also need to trim the top of these pattern pages. Okay, so I'm going to put A1 and A2 together. I line up those lines, make sure my shape lines up. Here's a little heart to also help you get the placement just so. The B row. And this one, I was a little off on my trimming, honestly. So I'm just going to use that line and line it up. And almost perfect is perfect. Now I'll take the 2 rows and I will tape them together also. So again, I want to line those lines up. I see my heart shape, everything's matching here. All right, so here's my pattern ready to go. I'm not going to cut these shapes out because we're actually going to trace this onto fusible, and so this pattern like this is ready to go. We'll use it again in a later step, but for now I'm going to set my pattern aside and I'll see you in the next video.